Minister wa urimi Willibet niwe wamukirite murigo ucio wa bebe akiuga bebe igita ni 260 ni ikuingira bururi-ini mweri-ini uyu wa mugwanja.
There is no reason whatsoever, and this is the evidence, and it is going to be continuous, to do what we are calling panic buying. There is no reason completely. Let them do their purchases as normal as possible, because there is no time when this supply is going to stop. And I want to assure that the ships which are coming now are just waiting for each other here.
Athiete na mbere na kuga ati bebe iria irehetwo bururi-ini ihinda-ini ria mieri iri ni itwaritwo kuri athii ya mutu miena ngurani ya bururi.
We have put in place all the mechanism, including importation and distribution and coordination with the millers to ensure that it reaches to most Kenyans.
Kuri na mivango iria igitwo ni thirikari ya gutigirira ati bebe icio ciothe ni irakinyira athii na arei a mutu wa ngima.
We have distributed 2.1 million 90 kilogram bags, which has already gone into the system. What is coming now is 3 million, over 3 million 90 kilogram bags, which has just arrived, which started arriving last week. It is now going on to arrive. So that is more than enough we require for this month of July. The month of August and September are also on the way.
Beta ugite ni maigirite mivango-ini ya kugaya bebe icio athii ya mutu aria mari matura-ini maria mari thiini. Handũ-ini ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Helen Maina.